Oh, we have.
Yeah, right, exactly. Oh, okay, yeah, we're right next to it, yeah. Right.
In just 30 minutes at 7 o'clock, Mickey and the gang will host Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. Tonight's event is sold out, and we do not have any more tickets available. If you would like to purchase tickets for a future Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party event night, you may do so at guest relations at City Hall in Town Square. If you're not going to join us this evening, we hope you enjoyed your visit to the Magic Kingdom and wish that all of your holiday dreams come true.
Are terrible. Believe me, I know, I wrote them. So pretend like you're having fun. Fake laugh. Ha ha ha. We're going to be doing a lot of that tonight. Wonderful. Makes it go by a lot faster for me. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, remain fully seated. Hands, arms, feet, legs inside the boat at all times. Parents, supervise your children. Make sure on our back pockets. Strike one, sweetheart. We're clear. Let's get out of here. Wave goodbye to the nice people on the dock. Wave goodbye to the nice people. Great job. Good. Good. Now, don't be rude. Wave goodbye to the naughty people too. Wave goodbye. Bye. Bye. Santa knows what you did. Yeah, you're never going to see them again, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know how to drive this thing, so they let me out of my cage this morning. It's a Christmas miracle, am I right? And hey, speaking of miracles, welcome and bienvenidos, ciao. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to the world-famous Jingle Cruise, where we are world-famous for being famous around the world. Start clapping. Hey, that was so sweet of you. All I want for Christmas is more attention. I am a middle child. So we're going to be working together to amen, sister. The jokes write themselves. We're going to be working together. We're on the lookout for missing presents, like the ones you see right here. It's kind of hard to see with all the fog. You might miss them. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be searching together for about 3.5 hours. However long it takes, actually. Let's get to know each other. Is it anybody's first time at the Jingle Cruise? First time! Hey! It's my first time, too. That was a warning, not a joke. I guess you could say we're in the same situation. Yeah. I'm going to be your guide. My name tonight is absolutely going to be Skipper Andrew. Sure. First name Skipper, last name Andrew from Columbus, Ohio. Oh my god, I'm gonna need a shot after this. So, hey, ladies and gentlemen, tranquilizer. Now, you know what, folks? Let's begin our tour in the Amazon rainforest. I'm gonna be honest, this is gonna get kind of scary. Is anybody afraid of snakes? Oh my god, yes. No, you hate my accent. It's okay. It's okay, right here. That is Cecil. He's an Amazonian python. Ladies and gentlemen, remain very still. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared! I'm sorry. My jump scares, miss. This is scary, though. Look at the ladies, guys. We have found some of those missing presents. But hey, look, my mother-in-law found them first. You know what I'm talking about, sir. I saw the look on your face, right?
Nice try, Susan. You missed again.
Ladies and gentlemen, she's an animal, believe me. She was supposed to go home on Thanksgiving. She's still here. Anyway, guys, speaking of animals, we're heading down the Congo River. See how far we can go. Everyone say hi, Steve.
Hi, Steve. Steve. Have you seen presents? Thank you. Thank you.
I only understood about half of that. I never took French in high school. So I think we're on the right track. So we're going to head down into the Nile River here in Africa. We'll spend a majority of our tour on this river. It is the longest in the world. It goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, we are in a boat. But thank you guys for paying attention. That's really good. Yeah. Now look at this. We are in the African savannah. We have a wide variety of holiday festive creatures. In fact, it is so wide it goes from there to there, right? It's all we had left in the budget after they built Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Anyway, you know what, guys? I'm thinking we should check out my friend Skipper Felix and his crew. They have done, oh my gosh, they did a great big favor for us. They found more of those missing presents, and hey, they're even starting to decorate the Skipper Christmas tree. They're taking it a little too far, honestly, but I'm sure they're gonna get the point in the end. Seriously, what do I know, ladies and gentlemen? Anyway, guys, let me be honest, before I forget, those hyenas are an endangered species of elf hyena. We actually call them Santa's little yelpers. We're in Crocodile Country. That's my friend Smiley and his sister Ginger. Hey, girl. Fellas, you sir in the white hat, hello. She is single, man. Say hello. All right, she is very dangerous, so Ginger snaps. She's lost that Christmas cookie, right? This is Schweitzer Falls.
Everybody lean. Start leaning. Start leaning. You two, sir, is not moving. Keep leaning. Keep
Hi, you come here often.
Keep leaning. Keep leaning. Wonderful. Wow.
That was really dramatic, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna need therapy again after that one. And you know what? That was really scary. So I'm gonna make it up to you. I'm gonna get you guys a voucher. I hardly know her. You're gonna get half off your next flight here at the Jingle Cruise. Half off. Yeah, you're welcome. I am a pilot. Yeah, I took a crash course, ladies and gentlemen. There were no survivors. And more about me though. When I was younger, I wanted a hippopotamus for Christmas, but now I just want a livable wage. I wish I was laughing. I have a lot of student loans, but hey, you know what? I asked for the hungry hippos on my Christmas list. This is not what I had in mind. I'll never fit them in my Pontiac. And you know, guys, this is really embarrassing. I wanted to show you my favorite boat. This is the Quango Kate. It is named after my sister. My beautiful sister Quango. Yeah, it's a family name. We're running a monkey business, folks. Seriously, my co-workers, IL, they're supposed to be repairing that boat, but honestly, you just got it. There you go. Yeah, seriously, they're just monkeying around. It's really driving me bananas. I got an ulcer because of it. Ulcer, I hardly know her. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, honestly, out of the 46 boats I've done today, this one has been the most recent.
Yeah!
Let's celebrate with a little tradition. It's the astounding, the amazing, the eighth wonder of the natural world, the backside of water. Yeah, that was really good. You're welcome. I hope you had your mouth closed, though, ladies and gentlemen. That green stuff on the wall behind us, that was holiday asbestos. So, let's get out of here. I'm actually feeling lightheaded. I've been drinking all day. Seawater. We're going to go through this little detour on the Mekong River. I've got good news and bad news. The good news is this might be the rest of the missing presents, but the bad news, there's only one way to be sure. Guys, I'm getting nervous. We're going into this ominous temple. Remain seated. Hands, arms, feet, legs inside the boat at all times. Parents, supervise your children. Be sure to buckle your safety seatbelt and pull on the yellow safety strap. All right, there's a 45-foot drop at the end. I'll see you on the other side. Okay, good luck. it like. Honestly, there is no reason to feel embarrassed. They all have their trunks on today. They did not last night. It was really weird, okay? Honestly, you guys have been wonderful. In fact, I just gotta say, I don't get out much. And wow. Sorry, I thought I heard something. While I get out here, I just... Oh, no, what's that? Oh, my God, oh, my God, oh, my...
Shit out of me.
Naughty Liz, now! Okay, let's get you out of here, guys. That was so much fun. That was so much fun. You're making my parole officer cry. Let's get you out of here, ladies and gentlemen. You have been an outstanding tour, but in just a moment, you're going to be outstanding on the dock. Hey-o. We do have one final stop. That is our gift shop. If you see something up there you'd like to buy for your loved ones this holiday season, let me know. Let me know. We will fill out the paperwork together on dock. We do make commissions, just letting you know. And this is also, fun fact, our lost and found. Sir with the camera, hey man, if you see something up there you've been looking for, let me know, buddy. That underwear has your name on it. I can smell. I can tell. Seriously. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, let's get you back to dock. Just remain seated with your hands on feet, legs inside the boat at all times. Parents supervise your children. From everyone here at the world famous Jingle Cruise, Merry Fishmas. Alright, happy Veronica Festival of Bites if you celebrate, and a very happy New Year. I have been Skipper Andrew. Wait, don't clap yet. From Columbus, Ohio. I am your favorite skipper. Not yet, not yet, not yet! I am your favorite skipper. So I have a little song I'd like to sing to you before you throw money at me, sweetheart. It goes a little something like this. Deck the cruise with boughs of khaki. Fa la 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 la. Get out. Bye. Up there. She's gonna love this. Cool. I have multiple. You guys, I feel really bad. Get out of here. I feel bad. Hi-yo! Thank you.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe or become a member for more fun videos. Thanks for watching.